Hello! Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here. Your favorite apps live right in front of your eyes. You navigate with your eyes. Simply tap to select and use your voice to dictate. Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first ever 3D camera. Now you can capture photos and videos with remarkable depth. Your photos can be life-size or any size. And for an extraordinary cinematic experience, like you're a part of the action. Vision Pro is a wonderful way to play your favorite games, and you can make the screen as big as you want. Just connect your controller and play on a massive screen. With Apple Vision Pro, you can create the perfect workspace. Browsing the internet feels new. And even connect to your Mac simply by looking at it. FaceTime looks and sounds amazing in Apple Vision Pro. You see people life-size, as if they're right in front of you. Yet Apple Vision Pro is remarkably compact, and we designed a modular system so you can find the right fit. The headband is 3D knitted to provide cushioning, breathability, and stretch. And a high-performance battery reduces weight to a minimum and slips easily into your pocket. The era of spatial computing is here. This is Apple Vision Pro.